Hi folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to me leaving Vardo. And I did want to talk about the elephant in the room as well. Yes, I shaved it off. Yeah, I'd forgotten how annoying it is in winter with a coat and being blown everywhere, and the longer it gets, the more wiry and hairy it gets and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, came off. So I figured I've got 1 day and almost 2 days worth of, like, as if you was to travel permanently to get back to England. So in reality, I'm probably going to do much as I did on the way up, either 6-hour chunks or 5-hour chunks as well. Now that I'm in the trip, I've got editing to do. So I've actually got work to do, you know, my actual day job, and editing to do, as well as driving. So it is probably going to take me about a week to get back. So I'm going to go across the top of Norway, slice off a bit of Finland, and then into Sweden, all the way across all the Nordics almost. And then I'm trying to work out at the moment whether I do the ferry from the bottom of Sweden to Germany and then just drive through Germany, or to go through or over the bridges, so from Sweden to Denmark on the big bridge, and then the other bridge that connects the little islands or the smaller islands of Denmark, and then come out sort of like lower down in Germany and then carry on driving. And it's a matter of time and money. Now the ferry trip itself, I was looked, and it's around about £220, whereas the bridge is much less than, well, both bridges are much less than that. But obviously then you've got fuel because you are driving on top of that, but it brings you further down into Germany than the ferry would. So there's a cost saving, and also about 5 hours of actual travel time saving as well by driving, believe it or not. And I love driving, if you've not noticed. The weather is pretty nice right now. You're going to see some epic scenery, and I did say on the way up here that the way back is just going to be as interesting, maybe if not more interesting. So yeah, I'm actually quite excited for the journey back, just to see the other direction of where I've travelled for the last week or so. So it's going to be quite cool. Unless something mega happens, I think the next montage you're going to see is probably just me driving through all these countries. So get ready for a mega montage of epic scenery, or something epic's happened, like I might even see a moose. That would be quite epic. But, you know, we'll see how it goes anyway. So, yeah, I shall see you soon in your time. Might be not so soon in my time.
How big is your love? Tell me how
it was a lovely drive back. Took around about 6 days in total, with a bit of a stop in the middle there just to see Ashamari in Sweden. So yeah, I am now back in the UK, and got some new tyres fitted to the van as well. The other tyres had done around about 43,000 miles. And on the way back, I could start to tell about the feathering noise on the tyres as the tyres start to sort of wear unevenly the older they get. So thanks to Elite Wheels and Tyres for sorting me out with some new tyres. A bit of a short notice, kind of like drove off the ferry and drove there and got them fitted. So yeah, cheers guys. At the same time, celebrated the van doing just over 10,000 miles since it had the engine rebuild. Then it was a case of go out and see family, pick up Mandy, and celebrate a little bit early Mandy's birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Enjoy some typical sort of British weather of sunshine and rain all at the same time. And then catch another ferry to a place we've never been before. Well, that's a story for next time. This video was just to fill in the little gaps. So I'll see you next week, folks. Take care. Bye.